Good day, everybody. Brian here, quantlabs.net. We are now going to go over the current situation with the U.S. markets. It is August 3rd, 2:25 Eastern Standard Time. So let's check out what started these insight. This is what I saw from Seeking Alpha. NASDAQ and S&P and Dow climb as earnings outweigh U.S. China tensions. So that's what's spiking the markets, as well as services were up a little higher than normal. So let me just show you what my little tear sheets are generating here. So a couple of things we need to analyze here is boy oh boy. Let's start with the Dow Jones here. So there's, I don't know, in Interactive Brokers, probably 20 plus ETFs that are dedicated to the Dow Jones. Out of that, all of them are negative, and then there's, on the flip side, there is the ones that show positive. This is only one bear ETF, so don't be fooled by this. You can see how it moves against the direction of the S&P, which is the standard benchmark here. So you can see here it's up 3%. These kind of ETFs I'm not a big fan of because of right now in August how the markets have flip-flopped so much between positive and negative. And when you look at number one is the drawdown. I keep saying drawdown is not too bad at negative 17%. But still, what I'm really watching right now is the August numbers, the returns, because we are 3 days into August. So you can see here it had a positive June, negative July, positive August. So for a bear, that's okay, which means that the U.S. markets are, well, all of August so far have been bearish, but you're already up 2.7%, which is not bad. Now, when you move over to the S&P, there's a bit of a difference here. This one contains two ETFs. One is an energy one for S&P, and I believe it's a long. The other one is a short or bearish ETF as well. Same story. All of them in the S&P are showing negative, and the only one that filtered out positive was the bear plus this energy one. And I've analyzed energy as well. That's doing, out of all the commodity spaces, that's doing pretty good. So when you look at this, you've got a negative 1.39. That's because of the second ETF of the energy. Otherwise, it should be positive. Now the other one is the NASDAQ. Again, this is only one bear ETF, and you can see it's up 0.96, which is not bad. Here we are with the S&P combination of those two, 1.95, and the Dow Jones is 0.2. So the strongest is the S&P plus with the energy long ETF as well. So when you look at that, there's not a lot of performance there, but let's look at the monthly return for. Yeah, so you can see here it's fairly positive, 1.67%. So that's a good combination with the energy as well as that bear ETF. The problem here is it's very volatile, very mixed, as shown in the world of the news of finance. Let me just pull it up here. So here in finance or Yahoo, you see it's fairly strong here. Negative oil for today, negative on the gold. And crypto, well, I've already covered that in yesterday's video. And Forex as well. I'm going to put another video on that as well. So that's how that stands right now between these three ETFs. Now, just so you know, I'm able to generate these tear sheets with my new script I just built out last week. This is the key right here for now. It's August. I'm ready to deploy live cash. I'm watching the overall space of what's out there, but the U.S. markets could be coming back, and it did have a strong July, without a doubt. I'm gonna rerun what I call an all master of all the high performing ETFs over the last month or so, and I'm gonna add in the Forex as well. I'll do a video on that. But right now, that's where things are at. If you like these sort of things and want to continue watching more of them and get more of my emails on a daily basis, just go over to quantlabs.net/ETF and fill out your info. We don't sell or release your info. And you got a 2-minute video here that will explain how these overall categories. I got 55. I think I'm now 56. And this is really powerful. So, as I said, I'm going to be throwing live capital at it really soon. I've been testing it for a good couple of months now, and I'm pretty happy with how it's going, despite the volatility in the markets right now. So we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.